Hi guys, I got some information about the possible failure in this laptop, old Toshiba laptop which does not power on. It seems it is a bad cap problem, so I will start taking it apart to reach the bad cap in the power supply area. So for this you have to remove all the panel screws, the cover here unscrewed also. And there is a small plastic cover here you have to unclip, and there is a screw below it. So when it is done, I take some plastic, old plastic card. Do not freak out, it is a specimen card, it is not a real American Express card. So if I lift here, in fact I need to rig the clips all around. It is better to do it with some plastic card because you will not damage too bad the body, and it is the proper way to do it, in fact. So it is not easy to unclip. Here you are. The fingernails can do work also. If I put like this one was hard, another one here. It is really a pain that they otherwise use these plastic clips. I hate them. Here we are. So when it is done, you flip completely the screen and this cover should come. Yes. Here we are. Data code here. So after it you have all these small covers at the back here which will come off. Two cosmetic panels for the screen hinge and the two back ports panel. So I will put them in a plastic bag with body screws, then I know that they go together with the same step of the disassembly at least. I put this aside and now, so I can flip. The next step would be obviously to remove the keyboard. You have just to unclip this small connector here. It is really delicate, and here we are, the keyboard. So one weird thing I did notice with this one is that you have small surface mount transistors. It seems it is the first time I see it onto a keyboard. Okay, so put this aside in a safe place. Then we have here the drives cover and here the motherboard cover. Not sure what to do first. It is not straightforward, so I think I can remove this cover here. So it will be a multi-part video obviously, as it is quite a lot of work to take apart. I do not know if the result will be good or not, but so here is this shielding plate, just aluminum plate. It comes right off, nice. So here we can see the hard drive, we can see the some backup battery, and under this shield the floppy drive. So also a little PCB here with mouse and keyboard connectors. So I remove this. I will replace this with Captain. Will be So this should pull right away, and here we are. So this little backup battery, I have no clue, but probably it is dead. Then we can see the hard drive. It is a Toshiba hard drive, HDD 2216. There is one screw here. So if it is a standard part, I will be able to try to read it. Here we are. Yes, it is a regular mini IDE interface. Then I would like to remove also the floppy drive, but I have no idea. I think I have to remove this. We are, I can see one screw here, one here, and maybe it wants to come all in a single block with a floppy drive, it seems. I cannot pull it in this direction because of the body. I'm not sure what kind of connector we have here. So maybe in fact it will not be necessary, I am not sure. Let me screw it back in place for now. Because I will try to remove this cover here, which will be more interesting. So I have one screw here, one here. I did not find a complete service manual for this thing, so I have to guess. And I think probably I have more screws than here, so I may need to remove the display now. Since it is coming, but I have a screw hidden back there. It is not good. Yes, there we are. It is very tedious because you have to do two things at the same time, it seems. Okay, so here is the motherboard, and the bad capacitor must be here somewhere. Not sure which one is it. It is. So I can unplug this switch connector, and I can unplug the main. I have one more screw here. I can unplug the main display connector. So it should come right off. Here we are. So the display is off. As you can see, it is a pretty complicated assembly. And there we have complete motherboard assembly. It seems. Not sure how it will come off. I will have to investigate, but it will be in the next part of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.